Hello dear colleagues. Today I want to tell you about brain hemispheres and their influence on our visual spatial representations. It's not a secret that people with dominant left brain hemisphere differ from those with dominant right brain hemisphere. Left brain persons are more likely to remember details, use facts and learn mathematics. And right brain ones are successful in dealing with philosophical questions, acting intuitively and using symbols. Well, honestly, there are much more abilities which development depends on a prevailing hemisphere. And do our visual spatial representations also depend on that? We try to find it out. So, the objectives of our research work were the following. To find out if there is a correlation between a dominant hemisphere and visual spatial representations, and if yes, how it reveals. The experiment has been held in the following stages. We formed a group of subjects. There were 18 second and fourth year students of PSU studying philology. We explained the task, which was to copy a perspective picture with a house, a fence and a tree in it. Then we distributed sheets of paper with a picture. After the task was complete, we collected the drawings and compared them with the original picture. When we recorded all the mistakes, we classified them according to the Tatiana Akhutina's classification, which divides them into ones caused by either left or right hemisphere disorder. You can see the classification on the screen. In the end, we defined prevailing hemisphere for each subject, and after comparing the pictures drawn by left and right brain persons, found out which of them make less mistakes. You can see the results on the screen. 69% of our participants have their left hemisphere as dominant, 8% have a right one, and 23% of subjects have both of their hemispheres developed equally. So our research work proved that prevalence of any hemisphere does influence on our visual spatial representations in terms of mistakes made while copying a perspective picture. People with dominant left hemisphere cope with that task better than right brain ones. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.